Let me put it on you. Turn around. You're looking fantastic. Look, this is our home ec class for the day. You like this class because you get to eat.
Okay.
Open the drawer to the left.
Yep. Now we need the zucchini. Nope, that's an apple. Zucchini is green. Green. Perfect. Can you get me the zucchini? Put the apple back. Put the apple back. Now get the other zucchini. Zucchini, it's green. See? Okay.
I love you. Hey, we're gonna make zucchini bread. No, we have to do our class. It's home ec. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Cilla Stuff and Things. Can you say hello? Say hi. We are gonna make zucchini bread today. Are you excited? Oh my goodness, you are excited. So Abigail has been really enjoying hanging out in the kitchen and making things, I think because you get to eat it, huh? So that's what we're gonna work on today. It is a little bit different of a recipe because we're not using nuts. Our family doesn't enjoy nuts in their bread, so we're not gonna do that, right? Can you help me point? This is sugar, okay? We have eggs, baking soda, oil, vegetable oil, cinnamon, yeah, vanilla, salt, flour, and zucchini. Are you ready? Say, let's get cooking. First things first, we have to put our oven at 325. Can you come help me? No? So, 2 challenges today. We're going to see how well this bread turns out, and we're going to see how long Miss Abigail hangs on to the activity. Are you ready? Come on. Let's go over here. Okay, you ready? Hit bake. Push it. Push harder. And then it's at 350, but we need it at 325. So I need you to hit the number 3. 3, 2, 5. And then hit start. Hit that button. Hit start. Right. Good job. Okay, now we can start mixing our ingredients while this warms up, okay? We're gonna move all these things from out in front of you. This is your flour, so go ahead and open that. Okay, we're gonna take our bowl. This is 1 cup. We need 3 of these. Look, so if you do it like this, put your hand on it like that. There you go. And hold on. We might need our other bag of flour. Hold on. We don't have a cup. Okay, that's like a half of a cup. Go ahead and dump it in there. Nice. Oh, we have to get all of it out. Here, take that. Dump it in the bowl. Oh boy. There's so much flour everywhere. So would you say you're a messy chef, Abby? Are you a messy chef? You are? Good job. Look, you got to get all of it out of there. Good job. Okay, that's about 3 cups, huh? Oh, you probably shouldn't rub your eyes. Every time with the flour, girl. Here, go wash your hands. Here is our salt. Hold on. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon. So take that. You're gonna put it right in there. Okay, and then pour it in your bowl with your flour. Oh, might need a little more since we dumped some of it. Okay. Okay, close that up for me. You gotta turn it like that. Turn it. Perfect. You can put that over there with the flour container so it's not in our way. So this, we're gonna actually use this end. We're gonna put it in our little box. Now, the cool thing is you can just run it across the top like that, and it gets it really nice. Nice. Come here. Put that over there. Thank you. So we need 1 tablespoon, and this is a half of a tablespoon, so we're gonna need 2 of these. Let's do our other end. Ready? 1 and hold on. Gotta get the whole thing. 2. Can you put that lid on and turn it? Keep going. Look. Okay, now turn. Awesome. Put that over there with the other ingredients. Now, I want you to get your spatula and I want you to mix this around. Oh, that's good. Maybe hold the bowl with your other hand. Don't mix it out of the bowl. Just mix it in here together like that. You're just kind of moving it, just sifting it around. Okay, so we have our dry ingredients are finished, right? So we're gonna put that off to the side. Now we have to get our eggs and our oil and move it. Nope, over here. That was nice remembering that though. Actually, we probably need to do our zucchinis first. What do you think? So much fun. Hashtag real life, quarantine life. This is how it goes.
She's really going for it.
If she gets those little bursts of energy out, then she'll be good. I've got to figure out how to do this thing. I never can get this thing. There we go. Whew.
Oh.
Did you lose something?
Yeah. I did. Okay. Come over here. Look. So, let's see how we need to do this, Abby. Hold on. You don't have to film me. Hit on. Let's see what happens. Go ahead and hit on. Look at that. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay. Put your next one in there. Go ahead. We could probably put all of them in there. Hold on. Go ahead. Uh-oh. We're going to have to cut this one. Here, put this one in there. I think that one will work. That one's not going to work. Let me cut that one. You can put that one in there. One at a time.
Oh, man.
Here you go. Okay, last one. Oh, we probably need to push it, huh? Here. Go ahead and turn your on button. Push hard. No. Push hard. Hard. Do you like that part? See, it's cutting them all up so we can put it in our bread. Isn't that cool? Hold on. Here, go ahead and put these in there. Nice! Now we're starting to get like zucchini soup. We may have messed it up, Abby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not good. Ugh. Oh no.
What's wrong?
It's like zucchini soup. So we kind of have like zucchini mush. I don't think this is, I think we used the wrong, I keep saying we, it's really a me thing, it's not Abigail at all. I used the wrong attachment for the food processor. Okay, we're gonna see if it works, but I don't know. I don't know. Don't follow this direction though. Do not follow this recipe. That's not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be grated, not zucchini mush. But we'll see what happens. This is why I don't like baking. My dad's gonna laugh because I literally just got off the phone talking to him about this. Okay, we'll see what happens. I mean, I know there's supposed to be wetness. My dad said there would be wetness, but And he said I could just take like a paper towel and just dab it a little bit, but I think this is a little more than what he was talking about. We'll see. Take an egg. You're gonna crack it. Good job. Hold on. No. Sugar's not ready. Stop. Drop the sugar. Drop the sugar. You need the sugar?
Oh, hold on, Abby. Hold on, Abby.
Go ahead. Crack. Crack your egg. Crack this egg. Crack it. Look what you're doing. Oh my gosh. Here. Can I help you? Here, help Mom. Help me. Nice. Okay. Get your other egg. Start cracking. Oh. Okay, we only got a little bit of eggshell. That was good. Yep. Wash your hands. Let's wash your hands. Because you have egg all over them. So if you're working on hand washing skills, cooking is a great time to do that. Because you have to continue to wash your hands, huh? You're doing so good. Are your eyes bothering you today? The allergies are no joke here. 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Hold this. Hold it right there. Hold it like this. Hold it right here. You got it? Okay. Got it? Dump it in there. 1. Okay. You gotta do 3 of these. Ready? 2. Good job, Ab. You're holding it so well. 3. Nice. Here, I'm gonna pour it in here. And then I'm gonna have you pour it in our bowl. Pour that in here. Oh. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, we need 2 of these. Are you ready? Hold on. We're not ready for that step. Take that and pour it in there. Okay. Now we need 1 more. Are you looking? Pour it all the way. Pour it. Thank you. Okay.
Show Mom the sugar on your face. Turn around. Move your hand.
1 cup of vegetable oil.
Look at her.
Oh my gosh. Here you go, girl. Ready? Not yet. We're almost done with this. Okay? We're almost done. We need 1 cup of vegetable oil. Can you help me? Look. Look, here's our 1 cup. Okay? Okay? Take that, pour it in here. Pour it in there. Pour it. So look, this has a spout that you can just pour it just like this. And it comes right out of there. Isn't that neat? There you go. Okay. Can you lift it? Pull real hard. Pull it really hard.
You're so close.
Look. Here. Put your hand over here. You gotta pull it hard. Ready? Good job. Okay. Push our button over here. That's our favorite part. Put this in there. Here. Ready? What are you eating? The zucchini. You like it? Hey, can you get our flour from over here? Okay. start pouring it in here. Okay, let's start it up, and then we'll pour that in a minute. Can you pull the button? Over here. This button. Hold on, don't touch this. Are you excited? It might turn out okay, huh? Okay, look, we're gonna pour this in as it's going. Ready? Come here. Oh, here. Come here. Are you doing the happy dance? Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, now you can drop that. Drop this. Push back. There you go. Now we're gonna take this off and we'll just set it in our bowl over here, okay? Hold on, let's use our spatula. And we'll get the little drippings off. Okay, we'll just put that right there. Here, can you take our bowl? Hold on. Take this and bring it over here. Woo. Nice. Spray. This is fun. Here. We'll pour some of our, help me. Ready? Pour it in our dish. Are you watching? Oh, we might be able to do it in one dish. Hold on. You ready? Hold the bowl. Thank you. You're doing so good, Ab. Don't hold it up too high. You're doing a fantastic job. Maybe it's gonna turn out okay. What do you think? We'll know in a little while. What are you doing? Okay. All right, are you ready? I don't want HANDS to go in there. Okay. Can you hold that? Like that? We're gonna put it in the oven. Ready? We have to let that bake for about an hour. So can you tell everybody thank you? Thank you for coming, and hit that like button if you haven't done so. Subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Look, it only took an hour and a half to cook your bread. I think it worked. We'll see, huh? Do you want to try some? Do you want to try a piece? Yeah? I mean, it smells like zucchini bread. Let's see if I can get it out of here.
No.
Who are you talking to over there, Ab?
I don't even.
You're gonna like it, I'm telling you. You're gonna at least try it.
I will. Oh my gosh, that was a whole thing of butter you just ate.
Is it good?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So, would you say you're a messy chef, Abby?
You look good.
Oh, sweet girl.